In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the P2P code for your AvaEye NVR and how to make sure it's also connected to the network so that your AvaEye NVR can access the internet and allow you to connect from the app. The way you want to be doing this is having your NVR connected with a monitor directly. I'm using a VGA connection. You may be using HDMI. Doesn't matter. And then just make sure you have a mouse connected too. On the menu interface from the NVR, when you have it connected to the monitor, you can use the mouse to go into the main menu here and then click on menu again. It'll ask you to log in, put in the password for your NVR. Usually it'll be this. Once you're inside this menu, go to System, then go to Network here, and go to P2P. This will give you the QR code that you can scan into your app and the accompanying registration code. If you want to type it into the app or into the PC AvaEye software, you would type this in. If you're doing it on the phone, all you need to do is scan this QR code. Also, for P2P to work, you have to enable P2P. Make sure this is checked. And you should have these two checked as well to allow snapshots and for this recorder to be connected to your app without having to sign into the app with an account. If for some reason your P2P isn't working, like you're not able to get to view the recorder over the AvaEye app or the PC software, here are a couple of things you want to check. First, make sure the hardwired connection into the recorder is working. So you want to have a network cable connected to the back of the NVR on its LAN port. Usually PoE NVR will have PoE ports and then a single network port, which is called the LAN port. If I disconnect this, you'll see that there was a green light here. This is an activity light. You want to make sure it's blinking green on yours. So it's blinking green on mine. And then if I trace this cable back, and if you do too on yours, either to a switch or a router, you'll see activity lights blinking on your router or switch as well. Make sure your NVR is connected to the main network. I always say please connect it to the main router because it allows the NVR to connect without hindrance to the cloud server that allows it that QR code based P2P access without having to do any fancy port forwarding. If you have multiple networks or subnets, they'll block the NVR from accessing the cloud server. And that means you won't be able to view your NVR through your app or your PC software easily. The second thing besides what I just showed you about the physical interface to your network is going into this network tab here and then making sure DHCP is enabled. If you're techie and you know what to set here, then do that. Otherwise, enable DHCP so it gets automatic configuration details from your router on the network. That router needs to have DHCP enabled, and what it will do is provide you this NVR and IP address, a DNS server to use, etc. So it's picking up this information from my router. After the P2P is enabled, proper network access is connected, I can actually go online and view this NVR through my mobile app. Hopefully you found this video useful. And if you're providing us this information for support, please make sure you also go under maintenance and provide us a screenshot of this screen. We need to know your serial number and your firmware build date as well. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.